Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and today we're gonna organize my badges and enamel pins. So first things first is we have to take off all the enamel pins, and we're gonna be arranging them onto this little DIY I did. It's hard to see in this frame because I didn't zoom out enough, but check out that video if you want to watch me struggle through this. But yeah, let's go ahead and start taking off enamel pins. I will try to say the artist when I come across them. There are gonna be a few that I'm gonna be like, oh, this was from Salem. So I don't know the artists, but I know that they sold stuff in Salem shops. And also there are some buttons that are from Hot Topic, and a majority of these buttons are my artwork. Anyways, let's go ahead and start disassembling this. When people complain about these rubber ones not working, I'm over here struggling to get the rubber ones off. Okay, all my enamel pins are off of here. So this one just goes in here. I took it off to hold something together. But I'm not sure if I want to keep this arranged in this way. Because I like the idea of like kind of trying to fit them all together and not be so like perfectly straight, you know what I mean? You know what, let's disassemble it. I'm gonna hate myself for it, but we're gonna do it. They're easy to get off, but they were hard to get on. Uh-oh. Oh, Jesus. This one's, pin is all bent. See that? Oy. That took like 11 minutes. And I'm gonna close them all up so I don't get hurt. All right, let me get into who made what before I forget. All right, so this whole pile on the top, these are mine. These are peanut pins, these are cheese pins, and these are business pins. And Knock made this one out of washi tape that said caution on it. These I got from a craft store, so it was probably just like Michael's. These I got from, oh gosh, I forget what store it was, but I'm sure you've seen them in other places. It's Inuyasha. You know, anime. I think it's like a weird election. Sango, Moroku, Sesshomaru, Inuyasha. Like, where's Kagome? I mean, I'll take Sesshomaru over Kagome, but like, hello? And Shippo? I mean, who cares about him? And these three came from Hot Topic, so these could be threadless artists, or they could just be Hot Topic artists. I don't know. And these came from Level Up boxes. And they're all from different months. This one is January, February, and April of 2016. They're all like drawn after their theme of the box. These two came from Dusk Wing Arts, spelled how it sounds. And this one came from Cute Revolution. And that's it for the badges. That was pretty easy. Now I'm gonna start arranging them and see how I want them to be. I might even discard some, I know, big no-no. But there are some that are tearing and it's mostly mine. So they're just super old, like this one, the cellophane is coming off. And there's definitely dirt in there. So I don't know if I really want to keep it, and I also have like another one just like it with a different color backing. All right, well, while I'm arranging how I want everything to be, I'll kind of just talk about some of the pins. So as much as I want to arrange it so that all of my personal pins are together on one board and then have a different board of like artist pins, as you can see, I don't actually have a lot of artist pins. I have mostly like my own. The pins that I made are all very old. They're from like when I was learning how to make them, and some of them have a plastic backing, but the ones that I currently make have the metal backing on them, which I feel is better. So I also have like business pins. They're of my business, and then there's also like one other business that I used to like be partnered with, affiliated with, whatever you want to call it, that I'm just keeping because they're the last ones that I own. And then I'm just gonna stop right here and show you this pin. This is what my chibi style used to look like. So my personal style has not changed much of me and my avatar. It's just my art style has changed. This is actually a vector image here. Can you focus? And that's what all of my buttons are that are on the board that I made. They're all vector related images that I made in Adobe Illustrator. And if you don't know the difference between vector and raster, it's vector is object oriented, where raster is more like freehand stuff. So of all the chi graphics that I've made, this is my least favorite. This pose right here, if you could focus camera, thank you. Because I didn't know how to draw him from the side in my chibi style, because I don't draw him with a nose, if you noticed. So it was hard for me to figure out how from the side would he look. I have figured it out since, and he doesn't look weird like this anymore. I think I kind of want to sprinkle these ones in. I don't know if I want them in their own little section. So I think this is generally how I want it. I think I'll probably be picking up more fan art ones. That's why this section is kind of bigger, and also random ones. I don't think I'm going to be adding my own buttons anytime soon to the mix, so I kind of made them all at the top. All right, I'm going to start putting them in. I didn't pull any off yet, but they're probably going to get mixed up as we go along. See, this is the hard part, is positioning everything right. Okay, so this is what I decided to do. I'm probably gonna move these two around once I get more buttons to fill in the spaces a bit better. But yeah, here's the button one, and we have all this extra space to expand our fan art and our like other cool art sections. So let's get on to the enamel pins. All right, so let me just quickly go over who's on here. There's not too many artists again, but there are places I can tell you where I got them from. Okay, so these three are St. Jude. This one's actually a magnet and probably has to go on to the button one because I can't secure this one. Otherwise, it just came with like a little magnet thing that sticks to it. So these are St. Jude. These came from Hot Topic. I think this one came from Hot Topic. I can't be 100% sure. I might have also gotten that one as a gift. So there's also that. Maybe I didn't get it from Hot Topic. Now, all these ones I got from shops in Salem, so I can't tell you exactly who they're by. This one is Salem Witch Museums. And I am from Jersey, that's why I have a Jersey Devil pin. This one I got from Adventure Aquarium. I used to service some other stuff there. I no longer do. Gudetama and Pusheen. These are just Zelda. I don't know what kind of enamel pins they are. They're like stickers with resin over them. Type of deal. They came from a like Zelda collection box. This tiny green lantern came from a crafter. I don't know their business name, nor have I ever seen them again. It's just a little cutout of Green Lantern from a comic panel, I believe. This one, it's still on its backing card, lucky me, is the Aether Artificers. I had a hard time saying their name the last time I was talking about them. This one is Sticks and Spells. I think this one was a B grade. I'm guessing because of that stuff? I don't know. Looks fine to me otherwise. These are from Bailey J. I think this was a B grade. I'm not sure if the bun, the Game Boy bun is though. Oh, she actually has hers have engraving. And these ones are from the Graveyard Grave. I think this one's from there too. It doesn't look like the rest of their style though. But I'm pretty sure I got them all from this person. All right, and now it is time to sort them out. Tuck you away for now. Go away. Please. Thank you. Oh, this one was just like hanging out there. This one also came from Salem. All right, now it is time to organize them how I want them. Probably how I want it set up. There's gonna be an empty spot in here, but that just means I need more enamel pins, right? Man, that's a loud popping noise. Oh, that could have been dangerous. So here is how this one looks. Hopefully I'll be able to get more enamel pins to fill it in. Now I'm probably gonna keep all of the backing and stuff either in a bag or some kind of container that I'll put near wherever I hang this up. Because this still does not have a home in my room yet. I'll figure that out soon. So here they both are. I hope you guys enjoyed the more organizey, less arty video. But that is gonna be it from me today. If you want to check out another organizing video, you can go ahead and tap the thumbnail here. If you want to catch up on anything you missed, you can go ahead and tap the thumbnail here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of comment, liking, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!